Hi, this is the Sleepy Physicist. I hope I fit in, yeah. And today's unboxing, I have absolutely no idea of what this experiment is about. There's another one of the that I know, but I don't know what is this. Let me try to open it. Since there's no information, there is information. So, head up. Porexpan cylinder painted in yellow with two sticks. Poke inside? Poke? You say poke? Or stuff? I don't know. Here I have a Porexpan sphere painted in air differential of theta. I think this talks about spherical and cylindrical coordinates, which have another way to express this Cartesian coordinate, which is x, y, and z. And these Cartesian coordinates are very useful for in general. But when you are studying spherical coordinates are better. Yes, the radius and the angle, I think. Now there are two angles. The radius, which is the distance, and then two angles to localize, to pinpoint. Yes, this is the Cartesian coordinates, x, y, and z. This must be the spherical, the cylindrical. These geometries are these coordinate systems are used when you're studying, for instance, the charge into a sphere, the charge into inside or outside of the cylinder. I remember that when I studied electricity and electromagnetism. Not very nice. Not very, yeah. Look at this drawing. Curvilinear coordinates, spherical geometry, cylindrical geometry, line element, no idea, surface and volume. To become familiar with cylindrical and spherical coordinates using a real model or 3D previous to the 3D, the objective is very good to help you understand these geometrical coordinates before using a plane representation, which is what they did with me when I was a student. So it was very complicated to understand. Cylinder. Probably here it says there's two spherical spherical cup, polar, can you say polar cups? I don't know. There's no explanation. The Polyspan models allow to show the more relevant, here we can say, coordinates in a point in cylindrical and spherical. What is that? There are sticks inside. Is there a brochette? I don't know what they are for. Doesn't say. It doesn't say. Air differential. Maybe it's just to hold it and say blah 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 blah. The blah 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 is not included. Up, east, blah 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 blah. So it's not very helpful. Really. Cylindrical. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Let's say there you have some previous information about cylindrical, no. But about spherical coordinates you have a previous intuition because you're familiar with probably with longitude and latitude. Yes, and this spherical, it would be more interesting if they were related. So the radius is constant because we live in the surface of the planet, so every point has the same spherical coordinate radius, the distance to the center of the Earth. You know, we assume there's no, yeah, well, except when you are in a mountain. In principle, you will be far away, but farther away. Or a plane needs another coordinate because it's not in the surface but farther away. You see? And then you have, for me it was difficult to tell the difference, the words between longitude and latitude. Longitude is the angles formed with an arbitrary line, which is the Greenwich line. Okay, this passes not far from here. Not far from here, so I don't know, less than 100 kilometers. Greenwich coordinate, we are at minus 038 degrees, because the minus is because we are at 0.38 degrees west. West is negative, east is positive. I don't know why. Okay, so this is the longitude, and the latitude is the angle we form with the equator line. Okay, it will be 0 and it will be 90. And you see this, you can see the latitude, and longitude is the angle formed with Greenwich meridian. Can be from 0 to 90, right? 100, no, 0, I don't remember. Can say east, west. You have 360 degrees, but I don't remember if they stop at 180 and then I don't remember because I'm not I didn't travel far enough to understand it. I remember, so not very useful. The figures are right,